Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to take the Laravel authentication part, registration and login using the Livewire. So here you have to go to type and Livewire you have to go type Jetstream Laravel. Press enter key. This is the official website. You click on this, go to the installation. So this is how you have created the project. You just copy this firstly, open up the G drive. Here you have to new folder. Here you write Laravel 11. You have to type cmd, paste on it. You have to write here, you have to write here sample project. Okay, this is project. So I'm going to type the example project app. Okay, I just give the name. Right. So I'm going to press enter key on your keyboard. So you have to wait until the project has been created. Now the project is installed successfully. Now here is the project folder. You go inside the folder. So you have to go inside the folder. This folder, I'm going to, you have to type cmd. Now get back to my documentation. Okay, so I have back to my documentation cmd. So you have to this one. Okay, so this is your project folder. So now you are in the project folder, you can see. Okay, so now you are in the Laravel example app, this folder, right? So that's the things it did explain. Without closing and you go inside the folder and type, you just switch the cd example project app. There is a DOS format. Okay, if you are, I have get it like this because you have a little bit confusing. Okay, okay. Now we already done these two things. Now I'm going to go to handle this one. We have to configure the Jetstream Laravel. So how to configure? You just copy this command, paste on it here. This command, just copy it, paste on it. Now you have to wait until the Laravel Jetstream here composer is updated. Okay, now after done the things, what I'm going to do is you have to this one PHP origin Jetstream install Limeware. You just copy this one. Okay, you have to copy this one. So it is installing. It is installing. You have to wait until the things completed. Okay, right. So after that, what I'm going to do is here I'm going to, after done the stuff, what I'm going to do is here it is installed. Here Jetstream is installing configured successfully. Now let's, what the things I'm going to do it. I'm going to here this one. You have to PHP arts and just to install. You have to install the Limeware after configure successfully. You have to wait until the Laravel installation completed. Okay, the Limeware Jetstream installation completed. This all things are the login along with the registration form. All the things will be consist of here this command. Okay, everything. Okay, you have to wait until all the process will be completed. Okay, so the mail. If you are managed with the mail, you have to access the 45. The Jetstream means a login, console login form. So all things will be, it will be installed. You have to wait until all the process will be completed. Right? Right, it's installing successfully. Okay. So here there's another problem. Some other teams have worked with Limeware web development. Some other teams have worked with Inertia. If you go Inertia, you have to type this command. Only the things that the first all things are same here. After that, you have to focus on where you have to developing the project, with whether you are going along with the Limeware or Inertia. Okay, that's not too much of different. Okay, there are most of the developers are doing the web developing of Laravel using the Limeware. Okay, right, you have to go the Limeware. Okay, okay, this all the here you can see all the subfolding, all the things are there, right? Okay, now what you're going to do is now all the things it will be done, the installation, all the things, right? You have to wait until all things are completed. So don't close it here. Let's keep on installing. So here new database, would you like to read on the migration part. So I'm going to here, I'm going to my, this is my project. Before that, I'm going to open up my XAMPP. Okay, first you have to open up the XAMPP. You have to check whether the MySQL and Apache and MySQL is started success or not. Okay, it could be two things are success. Now I'm going to go to the dashboard. Click on this and go to the dashboard. Okay, now here I'm going to open up my PHP dashboard here. Admin bash. Here I'm going to create the database over here. Here I'm going to create the database DB MMS. I just give the names. Okay, you can create any name of your project. This is example I have created like this. So this name I'm going to just copy it. This is my project folder. I'm going to open up my VS Code editor. So code space dot. Now here go to the env file. The env file. Here I'm going to work with the MySQL. So you have to SQLite. You have to change it as a MySQL. This default configuration you have to uh, press the control key and plus slash. You have to uncomment it. You have to database. You have to create it. Basic this one. Default username and password will be default as default username as root. Cartridge will be banned. Right. That's the thing. Now you just save all. That's the thing you have to do it. Now what you're going to see, you have done everything. Now you can see go here. So it will be asking the migration. New database migration were added. If you like to rerun the migration part. Okay, so if you do click yes. Okay, so it will be migrated. Okay, so here it throws some error. So here these problems you ignore that because the default user database is which one with SQLite. That's why it's coming that error. Don't worry. Now you are configured successfully. Now let's go and run the project. Before that, we have to migrate it. Okay, now we have add the project successfully. Now I'm going to go to migrate it. PHP artisan migrate. Now here you can see all things are migrated successfully. Okay, all things are migrated successfully. Here there is no error because this first thing is here while installing it asks that migration we haven't created any database. Okay, that's why it will be take like this error. Okay, after create the database all things are migrated. Now I'm going to run the PHP artisan serve command to run your Jetstream app. You can see over here how the things are look like. You just copy this, paste on it over here, press enter key. Here there is a login and register. If you click login, it's goes a login page. If you have got the login registration, it's goes a login registration. It's working so perfectly well. Now I'm going to type the username as Ravi, email ravi@gmail.com. Password you have to type the password, standard password. Okay, otherwise it should be 8 letter. Okay, so I'm going to type this Ravi at uh, Ravi at in. Okay, you have to type some of the password. So your Ravi, I have to give the standard password. Okay, now you have to click register. Here register successfully. Here this user is like register successfully. Now you have to log out. You will be able to log out. You have to again log in. Ravi@gmail.com. You have to type that password. Now you have to log in that. Okay, successfully. Okay, if you want to create the new account, here all things are there. Here the registration form. Okay, you have to work with the Jetstream with Limewire. Look like this. Here, this is the authentication login form and registration login will be successfully creating. You can configure the project, the dashboard, everything you have to configure yourself. Thank you for watching.